If your mind has been feeling slower lately, you're not imagining it. And it's not just stress. Something is quietly changing the way your brain works. AI isn't just in your apps, it's in your thinking. And the science behind what it's doing is genuinely alarming. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening and the simple protocol to reverse it before it becomes permanent. Have you noticed this? You read the same sentence 3 times, and none of it sticks. You open ChatGPT to help with one paragraph, and suddenly it's writing the entire thing. You bounce between tabs, notifications, and AI chats, and forget what the original task even was. Or maybe you've said this recently: just write it for me. I don't have the brain for this right now. These aren't random moments. These are symptoms, predictable ones, of something neuroscientists call cognitive offloading overdose. And almost everyone using AI right now is experiencing it. They just don't realize it has a name. Here's the simple truth. Humans have always offloaded thinking. We use GPS so we don't remember routes. We use notes so we don't store facts. We use calculators so we don't do math. But AI? AI is the first tool that lets you offload reasoning, logic, decision-making, creative synthesis, even self-reflection. And your brain is adapting to that. Think of your mind like a muscle. When you use it, when you struggle, think, connect ideas, it gets stronger. But when you repeatedly hand the heavy lifting to a machine, your brain learns, oh, I don't need to work as hard anymore. This is the beginning of erosion. Let's break this down without the jargon. Inside your brain, 2 systems matter most here. First, working memory, your mental scratch pad. It's the part of your mind that holds ideas while you reason. When you let AI form your thoughts for you, this scratch pad gets less practice. And just like any underused muscle, it weakens. Second, the default mode network, your internal problem solver. This activates when you're not consuming anything, not scrolling, not watching, not prompting AI. It lights up when you're thinking quietly, integrating ideas, forming insights, making connections. But when every open moment is filled with instant answers, your default mode network gets no time to work. And then there's dopamine. AI gives you the fastest solution hit in human history. You skip the hard part, and your brain learns that effort is optional. Over time, you begin outsourcing thinking before you even realize you're doing it. I call this the AI erosion loop, and it goes like this. Step 1, overload. Constant inputs, messages, feeds, recommendations, AI prompts. Step 2, offload. You hand your thinking to the machine, not occasionally, but constantly. Step 3, underuse. Your mental circuits fire less often. Less practice, less clarity, less retention. Step 4, erode. Your attention, recall, and problem-solving decline, which makes you rely on AI even more. Most people are stuck in this loop without ever noticing. But the good news is, you don't have to stay there. Here's the part no one tells you. Your brain isn't fragile, it's adaptable, plastic. It responds quickly to how you use it. AI isn't the enemy. Passive AI use is. And if you use it intentionally, it can actually make your thinking sharper, not weaker. So here's the protocol I recommend. It's simple, it's fast, and you can feel the difference tomorrow morning. Step 1, daily static. Rebuild your default mode network. For 10 minutes every day. No phone, no AI, no content. Just let your mind wander. A walk, a quiet sit, a coffee in silence. Your default mode network finally gets airtime, the part responsible for deep insights. Most people haven't felt this in months. Step 2, manual first drafts. Rebuild working memory. Before you open AI, spend the first 10 minutes thinking manually. Write, sketch, brain dump, outline. Give your mind the first reps, then bring AI in to refine, challenge, and expand. This single shift can restore clarity shockingly fast. Step 3. Sparring, not submitting. Partner with AI. This is the crucial one. Instead of telling AI, write this for me, you say, challenge this idea. What am I missing? Find flaws in my plan. AI becomes your sparring partner, not your replacement. This is how you exit the erosion loop. Here's what this all means. In a few years, everyone will use AI. But only a small fraction will still be thinking clearly, still able to reason, still able to create original ideas. Those are the AI architects, the people who use these tools to extend their mind, not replace it. AI shouldn't be your crutch. It should be your cognitive exoskeleton. And you get to choose which path you take. Tomorrow morning, try this. Take 10 minutes of static before your first AI prompt. Just 10 minutes. You'll be shocked how different your mind feels. This channel exists to help you build an AI-proof mind, so you stay sharp while everyone else quietly erodes. If you want to be in that top 1% of clear thinkers, subscribe. This is just the first episode.